Most part, this came in a regular box, so I really don't even care. It came in a tester box at that, so I don't care. Let's just see what the juice is like. You feel me? Get that one. No, what? We're gonna get one more because I like the way it. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. D4G here, banging out another video, man. Today we got an unboxing. We'll be reviewing two products, man. I got two new ones that I picked up. Let's get into it, man. All right, YouTube. So today we'll be reviewing, not really reviewing, doing a simple unboxing, man. We got two bottles that we're gonna go over today. Today we're gonna go over 1 Million Parfum. If you know me, you know I'm a big fan of Bade'e Al Oud, so I'm eager to see what this one is like. But also, if you know me as well, Bade'e Al Oud, man, you know that's my thing. We have an unboxing of Amethyst, Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst, man. Stay tuned, man. Let's see what we got. So y'all already know YouTube, man. Before we get started, man, I'll have to ask this of y'all, man. Hey, right now I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers. I can't do this without y'all, man. So what I need y'all to help me, help y'all, help me. Hit 200 subscribers, man. Just hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. This is something that you're interested in. Because over here, man, we talk about FFL, man. Football, fragrance, lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can get it tapped in, man. So today, the first bottle we'll be going over is Bade'e Al Oud 1 Million Parfum. Now, with this one, a little bit different from the other one. The original Bade'e Al Oud, this one is a tester bottle. So, like, this is it, man. I don't do the boxes, man. I don't really care for the boxes. I don't keep it unless it comes in like a foldable box up in there. You know what I'm saying? Use it as a display. But for the most part, this came in a regular box, so I really don't even care. It came in a tester box at that, so I don't care. Let's just see what the juice is like. You feel me? Get that one. No, what? We're gonna get one more because I like the way it. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, hold on now. Hold on, man. That is very different from what you get from the original Bade'e Al Oud 1 Million. In that one, you still get the grapefruit. In this one, I do get slight grapefruit. I think the grapefruit is just something that Bade'e Al Oud puts in their fragrances as like their signature scent. So when you smell that grapefruit, you know that you're either gonna get 1 Million or Invictus. You can bet on that. You can bank on that because that's something that they use in almost all of their top fragrances. Hey man, this right here is great, man. I love this, man. The grapefruit is prominent. Now I will say this. This is much different than what I get from the original. The original, it doesn't have as much of a sweet vibe to it. This one definitely has a very, very sweet, prominent note. And with that, it lets me know like, hey, maybe this isn't something that might need to be worn during the winter. Maybe this is something that needs to stick to spring and summer, which is opposite of what the original Bade'e Al Oud gives us, because in the original, that's more so of a spring, fall, summer fragrance. Not so heavy on the spring, more so on the fall and winter. But with this one right here, we notice that I'm noticing that this is something that I can wear spring and summer. Now, winter, I don't know. In Texas, I can get away with it in the fall. But spring, summer, and fall, yeah. This right here might be the one. Man, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna have to do one more spray because that first spray was just off the truck. And then the atomizer on these things, it's phenomenal. That's all I'm gonna say. Phenomenal atomizer. One more. Bro, come on, man. Stop playing with me, man. Y'all smell that, man. Come on, man. You can smell it through the phone how good this smells. If you see a gold bar, a silver bar, just know, man, it's going to be a phenomenal fragrance that you need to add to your collection. This right here smells amazing. I would not have expected this. I take that back. I do expect this out of a Bade'e Al Oud fragrance. But the way that it hits compared to the way the 1 Million hit, it hit in a different light, in a different note. Like, this is amazing. I would just know this is on point, man. I'm gonna do a full review on this later, but right now, Bade'e Al Oud 1 Million, this right here is off the chain. Add this to your collection. This is my first time smelling this. Add this to your collection, man. This is a good, and this is the Parfum edition. Highly concentrated. I'm pretty sure that I will still get great longevity, great sillage when I'm walking through with this. Just how it smells, man. Hey, again, you know what you're gonna get from a Bade'e Al Oud fragrance. Don't play yourself, treat yourself, man. All right, now I don't know if my shirt kind of gave it away, but the second bottle that we will be reviewing will be Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst. I ain't even unwrapped this bit yet, man. Let's get into it. All right, so y'all already know, man. About to review this Amethyst, man. But first, we gotta get this damn plastic off this shit, man. I'm not care for that shit. So, got it unwrapped. Opens up just like how we know that all Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst or Bade'e Al Oud for Glory boxes open. I love this. See, this is the type of box that you keep. The box, I love this juice. We don't keep the box unless it has a phenomenal presentation. And this one's good. This presentation, the box that this came in, nah, this is no go. But right here, Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst, this right here, man, I love the way this opens up, man. Presentation. It's gonna go good on my wall with the other ones. I needed it to complete the other collection, so you know what it is. But hey, at the end of the day, the box don't mean nothing because we don't purchase nothing for the box. We purchase it for the juice. Let's see what's inside, man. We open this thing up, man. Got a nice little, got the very nice, still has the same box from the Bade'e Al Oud for Glory presentation. Same exact thing. Like, you're not getting anything different. It's just the same bottle almost. But you know we don't care about that, man. Let's see what's inside of it, man. Got to get a couple of sprays because you know how the Bade'e Al Oud, I'm not going to lie to you. Damn, hold on, man. Hold on. I can pull this off, man. I can pull this off, but I can make something do with this right here. I smell rose. Rose is very prominent in this. This might be a unisex fragrance. Now, I will say this again. This is one of those fall winter fragrances. Boy, don't you dare wear this during the summer winter. You will choke somebody out with this during the summer winter. And this is my initial take. But as it's drying down, the oud is coming out in this prominent. It is showcasing its ability to be a 10-hour fragrance. If you've ever smelled Bade'e Al Oud for Glory, you know what you're gonna get out of that. And you know that that's a 10 to 12 hours fragrance. You can take a shower and that stuff's still gonna be on you somewhat. Whereas this right here, same thing, but I'm not really sure, man. Like, because again, this is initial spray, but the way it is just lingering in the air, the way it's taking over that 1 million, the way it is going through and switching from that rose to that oud, like you can really smell what the dry down phase would be like in Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst. You can smell the dry down in this, and this is very prominent. Like, I feel like this will be another 10-hour fragrance, highly concentrated. This has great juice to it. Another thing that I'm starting to get from this is I'm starting to now smell that pink pepper, where that pink pepper is coming out. Again, it doesn't, in the initial phase, it is not going to come out, but in the dry down, after you initially spray it, yeah, it's going to come out and you're going to start smelling a little bit pepper. And that's when you can see that fall winter fragrance come out to play. And that's when cigar lounge, bruh, y'all know me, I love a good cigar. Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst, Bade'e Al Oud for Glory worked great for me when I was at the cigar lounge. I can just imagine what this is going to be like. Now, something like this, Amethyst, I can see myself wearing it just off the initial spray. I can see myself wearing it fall, winter, of course, as far as the seasons go. But the times that I'll wear it, it would definitely be that let's say if I know I'm going out at 5 and I might not be coming back into the house till later on that night, 11, 12, I'm going to wear this right here because I'll still get some of that daytime usage where it'll perform, but then I'll get that nighttime usage out of that winter fragrance where it'll excel the performance. Whereas in the day, it might perform at an 85, 90 of its true capabilities. When you put it in the nighttime, afternoon, like late afternoons, nighttime, you're going to get 100% of all anything that's in this, any scent, any smell, anything that they added to this. I can already tell you're gonna get this out. You're gonna smell this. You're gonna smell all scents in this fragrance. Letting it sit here dry down. I will say this: cigar lounge, yeah. Anytime you're gonna be around some place that has mixed smells, yes. Hookah lounge, places where it might just be a little bit more of another smell, and you want yours to come out as a more refined smell, a more controlled smell. This is good, man. This is A1, like for real. This is highly concentrated. This is great juice for what you get in the bottle. You B.O.B. special, man. I got this for $40. Y'all know how I get down. $50 is the max for a B.O.B. And that's even online. I bought this for $40 on eBay. You can get it for $30 at Fragrance by CA. I've seen it up there $30, $35 depending on what time you get it. So this is a fragrance that you can get for a highly affordable cost. And if you are somebody that's just now getting into fragrance, I would recommend this. I would recommend something like this, especially if you want to know what works with your body. You want to try different scents. You don't want to try just a blue scent or a fresh scent or a citrus scent. You want to try something that has some oud, something different. That's what this is going to give you. This is going to give you a different smell than what you might already have in your collection. And you know your body. You will know your body more than I will. You will know if something like a oud or amethyst or a pink pepper will go with you. And personally, I do feel like that this can go with most individuals. Not everybody, but for most individuals on a scale of 100 out of 170, I'll say probably 60 to 70% of people can wear this fragrance right here. Could be wrong. I'm not a fragrance connoisseur. I'm just somebody that likes fragrances. But for me, this right here is A1. I might try this weekend low key. Cause hey, you know how we step out, man. But this right here is good, man. I love both of these bottles, man. The 1 Million Parfum and the Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst, man. And again, like I said, we have both. I'm going to keep this presentation. I'm not going to get rid of this one just because it's something that I do feel. I can't wait to try this one. I thought that out of both of these, it would be more so of the Parfum that I'm eager to try. But I'm not going to lie to you. I am very eager to try this Bade'e Al Oud. I don't know. It could be because it's still cold. It's the winter time. I'm going to have it's supposed to be snowing on Thursday. So it could be a compilation of anything. But Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst, 1 Million Parfum. Hey, two great pickups. You can't go wrong with it. $40 fragrance. This one might be more towards 80, 90, depending on where you get it from. You can get it online at certain retailers for a little bit cheaper, but for the most part, you're gonna be paying at least $70 for this. So just be aware of that, man. If you want those BOB, I know I got some BOB guys on my channel. If that's something that you're interested in, I would say go with Bade'e Al Oud Amethyst. But if you got a little bit more change, you don't mind spending it, go with the Parfum version of 1 Million, man. Especially if you already have the original 1 Million. Boom, boom. This is all you need year round. Like, especially for me, I get compliments off of this like a month, man. So it's like we're gonna make it do what it do. But hey, that is the video for today, man. Again, these are just unboxings. These are not full-blown reviews. I will be doing a review on both of these bottles at a later time, just so I can give a more in-depth, let y'all know how it truly performs outside of the initial spray. Because off of the initial spray, I do feel like this is something that'll work for me. That's just me, though. I mean, y'all know. You know, man. So with that being said, man, D4G, man, hey, if y'all enjoyed this, man, please, if y'all stay here, man, hit that thumbs up button, man. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we're just trying to push these numbers, push this algorithm up. So we greatly appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all so much. D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. Hey, we out.